You have always envisioned a trip to Paris. This is a well-known fact about you. However, another year has passed, and you find yourself no closer to achieving that goal. In fact, you have accumulated an additional $5,000 in credit card debt, which takes you further away from your desired destination. Would you believe that you have already identified the most crucial aspect of personal finance? It is a personal aspect. Establishing a financial goal that holds personal significance is what truly influences your ability to make sound financial decisions. Therefore, let us discuss how to transform that aspiration into a reality. It begins with the formulation of clear and specific financial objectives. Picture knowing precisely how much you need to save each month to make that Paris trip a reality by next summer. Suddenly, it transitions from a mere dream to a concrete plan. First, ensure your goals are specific. Rather than stating, "I want to save money," articulate it as, "I aim to save $5,000 for a trip to Paris by June of next year." Specific goals provide you with a distinct target to strive for. It is akin to having a defined destination for your road trip. You are aware of where you are headed. Next, ensure your goals are measurable. This entails assigning a numerical value to them. If your target is $5,000, break it down into manageable portions. When you visualize the figures, it becomes more attainable. You can monitor your progress and ascertain how close you are to realizing your dream. Automating your savings can significantly impact your journey. Establish an automatic transfer of some amount each week, immediately following your payday. This approach allows you to save without conscious effort, akin to placing your savings on autopilot. Additionally, you can support Socratica on autopilot through Patreon. Your modest monthly contribution will enable us to continue producing videos like this one, as well as the next. Thank you. Now, take a moment to review your budget. Are there areas where you could reduce expenses? Perhaps it is those daily orange mocha frappuccinos or that streaming subscription you seldom utilize. Allocate those funds towards your Paris savings. Minor adjustments accumulate over time. Ensure that your objectives hold personal significance. If Paris is your aspiration, saving for it will sustain your motivation. Each time you contemplate that journey, it serves as a reminder of the sacrifices you are making. It is personal, which enhances its impact. Lastly, establish a timeline for yourself. Setting a deadline instills a sense of urgency. A goal such as saving $5,000 by June of next year provides a definitive schedule to adhere to. This aids in maintaining focus and accountability. Your objective should also be realistic. If the target of saving $5,000 by next June appears overly ambitious, consider modifying your timeline. Perhaps aim for a smaller trip initially, or prolong your saving duration. The essential aspect is to establish goals that are challenging yet attainable. Regularly monitor your progress. Acknowledge those achievements. Perhaps every $1,000 saved warrants a minor reward. This keeps you inspired and highlights how far you have progressed. Additionally, remain adaptable. Life can be unpredictable. If unforeseen circumstances arise, revise your strategy. The crucial factor is to continue advancing, even if it necessitates a detour. There is an aspect regarding your finances that we have yet to address. Your credit card. It is all too tempting to charge a desired item today. However, it is always preferable to save for your objectives. Here is the rationale. Interest charges can accumulate significantly and consume a substantial portion of your budget. We are not suggesting that you refrain from using a credit card entirely. There are appropriate times for its use. Now that we have guided you towards Paris, let us review the essential elements of establishing financial goals in a broader context. There are three primary categories of financial goals: short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Short-term goals are objectives you wish to accomplish within the upcoming year, such as creating an emergency fund or settling a minor debt. Medium-term goals refer to objectives you aim to achieve within a time frame of 1 to 5 years, such as saving for a vehicle or a down payment on a residence. Long-term goals encompass significant aspirations that extend beyond 5 years, including retirement or funding your children's education. Here is an assignment for you to consider. What are your short-term, medium-term, and long-term financial objectives? Keep in mind that these goals are not fixed. They may evolve over time. However, let us begin to contemplate your future and the steps necessary to reach your desired destination. To facilitate this process, we have provided some complimentary worksheet pages available for download at Socratica.com. Please find the link below. Your goals should also be measurable. This entails assigning a concrete amount and a timeline to your objectives. If your aim is to eliminate debt, determine the monthly payment you will commit to. Monitoring your progress is vital for maintaining motivation, whether through a sophisticated budgeting application or a simple entry in your calendar. It is important that your goals are achievable. Setting realistic targets based on your current financial circumstances will help you remain dedicated. Strive for high aspirations, but ensure they are attainable to avoid feelings of discouragement. Relevance is crucial. Your financial goals should resonate with your values and align with your long-term aspirations. If your financial objectives hold personal significance, you are more inclined to remain motivated and make the essential sacrifices required to attain them. Lastly, establish a timeline. Having a deadline aids in maintaining focus and instills a sense of urgency. Understanding when you aim to accomplish your goal enables you to delineate the necessary steps to reach it. Or realize your financial objectives, begin by formulating a budget. Enumerate all your income sources and expenditures to gain insight into your financial flow. Identify areas where you can reduce spending and reallocate those funds towards your objectives. Automate your savings. Arrange for automatic transfers to your savings account to guarantee that you are consistently setting aside money without the need for conscious thought. Divide your goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. This approach renders large objectives less daunting and assists you in maintaining your course. Regularly monitor your progress. This practice keeps you motivated and enables you to make necessary adjustments. Celebrate your achievements. Acknowledge your milestones along the journey to sustain your motivation. Additionally, remember to remain adaptable. Life can be unpredictable, thus, be prepared to modify your plans as required. By adhering to these guidelines and maintaining your commitment, you can transform your financial aspirations into reality.